Hello everyone, I hope so you have a great day. I'm outside in the park practicing the flying the drone. So what's going on with my channel? Because last 3 months that I upload only 2 videos. So in the last video I mentioned about that my car broke down and I need to fix that. So and the kind of bill was kind of big for me, and from that time I couldn't afford to travel so much as I used to. Also, I have some change at workplace which will affect me financially. I will make some videos, maybe 2 videos in July, because my niece are coming to visit me from Latvia for about more than a month. So I want to show the castles and then maybe make a video with her. Also, I have an idea to change my channel name, but I only want to change just one word. But before that, of course, I need to make a channel art and the logo picture. Everything is on paper. I know the idea about how I want to do it, but just need to make that. Also, I just reached 100 subscribers, and I will make a video about that, like a special video for 100 subscribers, as I did for 50 subscribers. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing.